Ingalls.
Yeah, and we see some of those clouds building up, indicating scattered storms are on the way. So here's that poolside forecast. A hot one at 2 o'clock, 86, and then 84 at 4, 81 by 6 o'clock. There are going to be storms in the area. It's going to be hit or miss activity, so not everyone will get wet. But if you do hear thunder, definitely time to get out of the pool and head indoors. So yes, we have the rain coming our way. We can see a few of these showers already beginning to pop up. One little area of rain in Graham County, a few storms off to the west, and we'll see a few more of them form as we go on through the next couple of hours here. We still have that same setup with that ridge of high pressure keeping us hot. We do have our next weather maker not too far off. It will take a while to get here though. We have a slow moving cool front, and this is going to move closer to our region over the next couple of days, finally moving in late Wednesday on into Thursday, stalling out. And the bottom line is this is going to bring us some cooler conditions, a bit of relief from the heat. Also more rain and storms, including that potential for some heavy rain as we go into the mid to later part of the week. So your hour by hour futurecast, we can see by mid-afternoon some of these showers and storms forming over the mountains, especially the western mountains, places like Brevard and Cashers, around Waynesville, Bryson City. You have that slightly better chance than folks in the foothills early on. And also as we kind of wrap up the afternoon and go into the evening, more activity showing up in our western mountains. Now, that doesn't mean the foothills and the upstate are all going to stay dry, but we do keep that better chance out west. Once again, we go into the evening and things calm down. 7:30 on Tuesday morning, looking good. Once again, we go into the afternoon and we'll have more of these showers and storms popping up, and the heat will continue to be around, although with a little more cloud cover tomorrow. We might be a degree or two cooler. Wednesday, look at this, 9 in the morning, starting off with a lot of clouds in our western locations, and that will be a sign of things to come as that heat ridge begins to break down. And then over the next couple of days, some of the heaviest rain could add up in our western mountains, where some locations could see between 2 and 3 inches of rain. Also in the tropics, we're keeping our eye on this system. It's an area of low pressure. They're calling it Invest 92L, meaning it has a good chance of becoming a tropical depression. If it does become a named storm, it would be Isaias, and there's an 80% chance of that tropical development happening. And here's an early look at some of these spaghetti models. Again, a lot could change between now and next Sunday, but we can see how a lot of them do take it very close to the east coast over the Bahamas, and so something we're continuing to watch very carefully. Highs today, they're going to be up there, 88 in Asheville, lower 90s in the foothills and in the upstate. And the heat index at times will feel more like 90. Lows tonight dropping back down in the mid to upper 60s. We begin to cool down on Wednesday. 85 never looks so cool. And then back down into the lower 80s as we go into the later part of the week and the following weekend. Katie?